So these are three charts I've seen floating around Bitcoin Twitter, and I really wanted to dig into what they actually mean and the significance of it. This first chart shows Bitcoin's realized market cap split between new whales and old whales. As you can see here, old whales hold now 49.29%, which is $126.8 billion, whereas the new whales have over 50.7%. This is significant because new whales now hold slightly more than the old long-term whales. Suggests that fresh capital is actually entering the market. This happens usually during the beginning of a bull run or during a bull run. New institutions or high net worth buyers are actually coming in. And this second chart is kind of related. It shows what short-term holder new whales are sitting through. This means that recent buyers, whales who have purchased over the past few months, are actually sitting at a loss. The interesting thing about what's happening here is that even though a lot of the new whale wallets are sitting through unrealized losses, there's actually still a lot of whales coming in during the period of January 10th to January 19th, 2026. Even though small holders were selling, more than 36,000 BTC bought and moved to long-term whale wallets. This is over $3.2 billion worth of Bitcoin. And then we have this chart. Bitcoin has actually been stuck in this fear loop. Social media sentiment of Bitcoin is actually at an all-time low. You can see this very clearly as Bitcoin Twitter has definitely been slower, and also there's been a few changes in the algorithm which causes there to be less availability of the information out there. Conspiracy, I don't know. But the important thing to note here is when the crowd is not believing that Bitcoin will continue to rally, that is actually a great sign that it might continue to. When a crowd is skeptical during a rally, it usually means three things. There's still room for growth and euphoria to set in. And as we can see through the new whale wallet, smart money is actually still accumulating Bitcoin. And thirdly, the rally hasn't hit an overheated territory yet. The interesting bottom line here is that yes, there is new institution money coming in. Recent buyers are being tested of their conviction and whether or not this is going to be a long-term Bitcoin hold for them. And the broader market still seems skeptical. Retail is still not here, meaning that there is a higher rally to be reached. There are two ways things can go, right? Firstly, a continued rally if these new whales continue to hold and the sentiment shifts to positive, or a correction if the new whales are unable to and decide to sell at losses. But overall, the fact that the sentiment is quite fearful but the price is continuously going up is generally seen as a bullish sign. I just thought these charts were kind of interesting. Obviously, none of this is real financial advice or chart reading, just graphics.